Subscribe now. Samsung Galaxy S8 smartphone was launched in March 2017. The phone comes with a 5.80-inch touchscreen display with a resolution of 1440 pixels by 2960 pixels at a PPI of 570 pixels per inch. Samsung Galaxy S8 price starts from $846.31. The Samsung Galaxy S8 is powered by 1.9 GHz octa-core Samsung Exynos 8895 processor and it comes with 4 GB of RAM. The phone packs 64 GB of internal storage that can be expanded up to 256 GB via a microSD card. As far as the cameras are concerned, the Samsung Galaxy S8 packs a 12-megapixel primary camera on the rear and a 8-megapixel front shooter for selfies. The Samsung Galaxy S8 runs Android 7.0 and is powered by a 3000 mAh non-removable battery. It measures 148.90 by 68.10 by 8.00 high-text width x thickness, and weigh 155.00 grams. The Samsung Galaxy S8 is a single SIM, GSM. Connectivity options include Wi-Fi, GPS, Bluetooth, NFC, 3G and 4G. Sensors on the phone include compass magnetometer, proximity sensor, accelerometer, ambient light sensor and gyroscope.